Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all okay. So let's begin our new product review video. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the VDIAGTOOL VD30 Pro OBD2 scanner, a powerful and affordable diagnostic tool for both cars and trucks. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or just want to save money at the mechanic, this tool might be exactly what you need. If you've ever seen a check engine light come on and had no idea why, this scanner is your solution. It reads trouble codes, displays live data, and even helps you reset warning lights without stepping into a garage. Let's start with the design. The VD30 Pro is compact and sturdy, with a clear color screen and easy-to-use buttons. It connects directly to your vehicle's OBD2 port. No batteries or Bluetooth required. Just plug and play. One of the standout features is the live data function. It gives you real-time information from your engine, like RPM, coolant temperature, fuel system, status, and more. This is great for diagnosing problems as they happen. It also offers Readiness, so you can check whether your vehicle is ready for emissions testing. No more surprises at inspection time. And yes, it does support code clearing and reset functions. You can turn off the check engine light after fixing an issue, and even reset systems like the fuel trim or O2 sensor readings depending on your car's compatibility. Now, let's try it on my vehicle. I'll plug it in, read the codes, and see what we get. Here we go. It immediately connected and is showing one stored code. Let's view the freeze frame data. And yes, it shows the conditions when the code was triggered. Super useful if you're trying to figure out an intermittent problem. The navigation is simple: up, down, OK, and back. No complicated menus. Plus, it supports multiple languages, which is a nice bonus. So here's what I like about the VD30 Pro. It's easy to use. Even for beginners, it reads and clears codes quickly. Live data is detailed and reliable. No app or phone needed. It works. Standalone, great price for the features it offers. As for downsides, it doesn't support advanced manufacturer-specific codes or deeper diagnostics like ABS or airbag systems. But for a basic OBD2 scanner, it delivers exactly what it promises. You want to take control of your car maintenance. The VDIAGTOOL VD30 Pro is a smart investment. It can save you hundreds of dollars by letting you diagnose issues yourself before going to a shop. I've dropped a link in the description if you want to check it out or buy one for yourself. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and let me know in the comments what tools you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.